welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is 7th of August, that is my sister's birthday. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. So as you all know, lockdown के वजह से everybody is home and we are also staying home with all this makeup that we have done. But due to her birthday, I wanted to give her a little bit of surprise. So today we are going to do that, saying yes to my sister on her birthday. In this video I am going to say yes to whatever she says. मैं उसका आंसर no नहीं दे सकती, जो बोलेगी मुझे करना पड़ेगा. And I got the inspiration for this idea from Lexi Rivera and Brent Rivera. Those are cousins. उनके चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी. So today is going to be a lot of fun and I know मुझे बहुत सारी अतरंगी चीज़ें करने लगने वाली है. So without wasting more time, let's get into the video. So she already has first one in her mind because मैंने कल से बता के रखा है उसको and she is very excited. So what is the first one?
Can I transform you into my type of makeup?
Do I have any option? Yes, Tanisha, you can.
Because our styles are very different and I just wanted to check how this kind of a makeup looks on her. Let's do this.
After 15 minutes, you'll be seeing me as a joker. Enjoy.
Okay, so this is the final look I have created. I have kept it a little more natural and subtle because I mean it won't go on the top if I do over the top eyeshadow like I've done it. I've done it pink, but I was about to replicate the same look, but it wouldn't look good. And I really don't want to make her look bad because I want to click pictures with her later. How did you like the look?
So the look is really nice. It is बहुत subtle. मेरे को लगा था she'll go all glamorous.
I was about to do that.
I got saved. I just don't like the lips. वो बहुत gloss की वजह से irritate हो रहा है. But other than that, it is nice.
A supplement for gloss. I'll apply lip balm next time. But it is looking good. The glossy lips are looking good.
So are you ready with the second one, or we have to wait for some time?
One eternity later.
So the second thing I wanted her to do, it's nothing out of the ordinary. I just want her to paint her nails this shade.
I have already.
Like properly. ये. She has to do it properly.
Actually मैंने कल किया था, but मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, so I just. But now I have to reapply on this one. Along with saying yes to whatever she is asking me to do, I have few surprises planned for her. So one of them will be doing it right now. So the first one is, कल रात को हम लोग ने केक नहीं कट किया था. We just told her कि तेरे friends आने वाले तभी केक कट करते हैं. But I have a muffin that I got from McD yesterday. I'm going to decorate a bit. उसके आजू बाजू में chocolates रखे and I'm going to ask her to cut it right now as a afternoon birthday thing. So let's go. Also, these are looking actually nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. This is your first cake. डेकोरेशन बघ आजूबाजूला एवढी डेकोरेशन केली आहे मी. Happy birthday to you. So I was sitting out and she just called me because she had the third question for me. So shoot.
Bro, you know what? I'm really tired, so I would like enjoy a back massage, a soft back massage. Would you please like to do it for me?
Do I have an option? I'll do it for you, baby. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It has been almost 1.5 hours. She has been very sweet to me. She had not given me any task, and now she's back. Let's see what she has for us.
So after giving her 1.5 hours of free time, will you click my pictures and videos?
Yes, I will. So we just got done with all the videos that I'll paste here. She took a lot of videos and photos. So now is the time for surprise 2. So I'm going to my neighbor's place and we are going to blow the balloons there, because यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते उसके सामने obviously. So I'll take you along. I'll take a time lapse and show you guys. Let's get the party started. How my neighbor's place looks right now, and I have this one which is very full, but when I was blowing up the 5, वो फट गया. It was already tiered and जैसे मैंने pump किया तो फट गया, and बारिश भी बहुत हो रहा है. So hopefully I'll get a 5 around this area. So finally I got the balloon, but this time I'm not going to risk it with this stupid pump. I'm going to blow it so that it does not burst again. Okay, so update, we have so many balloons. This is the 15 that we finally got. So now it is time for me to get ready and set this up in my home. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chutti. Happy birthday to you. So this was all the party things, and she has been a really sweet sister. She did not ask me to do a lot of things, so I'm happy. How was your day?
My day was the best, I guess, the best birthday I've ever had, because of some special people, some special surprises.
I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want her to make me do more weird things, आज कुछ weird हुआ नहीं तो I was lucky because उसके friends आए थे तो she was occupied
and it's lockdown, so I cannot ask her to be like dye her hair and all.
I don't know what plans she has in her head. Anyways, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you need any decoration creative tips, please ping me.
And like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below how did you like the surprise.
Bye.